Hello, this is Muhammad Usman and welcome to Usman Programming Tutorial. This is the fifth tutorial of our programming language. In this tutorial, we will learn about the control structure in R scripting. So start your R Studio. Now clear your console by clicking Ctrl+L. Now I'm going to write the script for control structure. Let's suppose I want to check that particular numbers are equal or not. So first of all, I will assign two values to two variables, x equals to 5, then y equals to 9. Then the if x equals to y, then perform print numbers are equal, and in the case of else numbers are not equal, so this is a simple R script to check that whether two numbers are equal or not. So run this program by clicking. So it is returning me the result number are not equal. Now let's suppose you want to check that whether the numbers are not equal and which number is greater than. So let's suppose inside the so we have to apply the else if. Now if numbers are not equal, then check x is greater than y or not. If x is greater than y, then print that x is greater, number 1 is greater, and if x greater than y, or if it is not, then I have to check that else number 2 is greater. Now run the program again. So it is turning me number 2 is greater. If I change my inputs, let's suppose I will give this 8 and give this 4, then print again, it is showing me number 1 is greater. So this is how we can use the control structure in our scripting language. And you must have to make sure one thing: you need to write the else statement in the same line where you have enclosed the last conditional braces. Let's suppose the braces of this if is closing here, then you have to start the else from the same line. Similarly, the braces of this else if is ending here, the next else must be start from the same line, otherwise it may take give you an error. So this is how we can use the control structure in our scripting language. Thank you for watching my videos.